New flyover ramps have been constructed at the State Road 408 I-4 interchange, making it much easier to navigate. All movements between the two highways have their own ramps, eliminating the weaving patterns created by vehicles moving between different ramps. Drivers coming from locations north of downtown on westbound I-4 who want to travel on State Road 408 will exit I-4 right after the Florida A&M University Law School building. Drivers heading to Orlando International Airport, UCF, or the Space Coast should keep left and follow the signs to State Road 408 East, Titusville. Drivers who want to go to Camping World Stadium, the Central Florida Fairgrounds, Winter Garden, or the Turnpike should keep right and follow the signs to State Road 408 West, Ocoee. Be sure to pay close attention to the signs in this area, as some GPS devices may not yet be updated. For more information about the I-4-408 interchange and the entire I-4 Ultimate project, visit i4ultimate.com.